Now we are going to see the second question. Find the distance between the points 0, 0 and 36, 15. The first point is 0, 0 and the second point is 36, 15. Can you now find the distance between the two towns A and B discussed in section 7.2? Okay. First of all, try to find the answer for the first question what they have asked. Okay, distance between these 2 points 0, 0 and 36, 15. Okay, let us take these 2 points. First point is A of 0, 0 and second point is B of 36, 15. And we know 2 point distance formula to find AB distance, which is equal to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So this is the 2 point distance formula. We need to assume this is x1 and this is y1 because a point can be denoted by two coordinates. One is x coordinate and another one is y coordinate. Similarly, the second point, this one is x2 and this one is y2. Okay, just to substitute the values and find the answer. x2 minus x1, that means 36 minus 0 whole square plus y2 minus y1. y2 is 15 minus y1 is 0 whole square. What is the value? 36 square plus 15 square. What is the value of 36 square? Do that in rough work. 36 into 36, that is called 36 square. So you all know about the basic multiplication, how to do 36 into 36, but what I am telling, the fastest method. So try to learn my method. Okay, 36 square. So you need to find 3 square. 3 square is 9. Instead of putting 9 directly, write in terms of 2 digits as 0, 9. Okay, 3 square is 9. So we need to put in terms of 2 digits. So 0, 9. And what about 6 square? 6 square is 36. So it is already in 2 digits. So you don't need to worry about anything. Okay, so you can directly put in terms of 2 digits. Okay, 36. Next, 3 into 6 into 2. 3 into 6, 18. 18 into 2, 36. Write 36 one place, not in the unit place. Okay, wow. So shift one place to the left hand side from the unit position, and now you add all the values. So you should not put in unit place. Okay, just add it. 6, 3 plus 6, 9, 9 plus 3, 12, 1 to 9, 6. Okay, in a fast way, how can you do means 3 square is 9, so you have to put in terms of 2 digits, 0, 9. 6 square 36, 3 into 6, 18, 18 into 2, 36. So don't put in the place of unit place. Okay, just add it. So nothing is here. 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 3, 12. This is the fastest way. Okay, so 36 square is 1296. And what about 15 square? You should know that is a 225, but try in terms of the same method what I have taught you now. Okay, 1 square is 1, so 0, 1. 5 square is 25. 1 into 5 into 2, 1 into 5 is 5, 5 into 2, 10. Right here, and just add it. 5, 2, 2. Value is 225. Just add everything. 6 plus 5, 11. Carry 1 is here. 9 plus 2, 11. 11 plus 1, 12. Again 1 carry here. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 1 carry is 5. Then 1 is here. Just it is place as it is. That is a root of 1521. We need to take square root. You should know the basic square root method. 1521. How to take square root of 1521? Okay, now place a comma for every 2 digits from starting from this point or unit position to left hand side. 2 digits you just place comma. Okay, so now we are having 15 over here. Which number falls? Which perfect number falls? 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16. 16 is crossing the 15 value, so we need to put 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9. You should not put 4 4 and 4. 4 4s are 16. It crossing the 15. It is higher than 15. We should not put any value higher than that. we can put the lesser value or equivalent value. Okay, so 3 3s are 9. We need to subtract 15 and 9. The value is what? 6. And drop down these two values, 21. Okay, now the second step is we need to double the value. 3 into 2 is what? 6. What and all the quotient or whatever the value present here, we need to multiply with 2 and put here. Okay, next we need to fill a value here and the same value over here. Okay, so if we put 1, we need to multiply 61 by 1. Okay, we need to put here also 1 and here also 1. 1 into 61 we will get 61, but it is a huge number, 621. So we can go by bigger number. Okay, what number if we multiply, we will get 1 as a unit place. 9 into 9. Okay, 9 nines are 81, so 1 comes in the unit position. You can check it. Okay, 6 nines are 54. 54 plus 8, 62. We are getting the perfect number. Okay, so here we need to put 9, here we need to put 9. 9 into 69, 621. It is, the remainder is 0. So 39 is the perfect square root of 1521. So if we take square root, we need to put as plus or minus 39, but negative is rejected. Why? Because distance is always positive, so we need to take 39 alone. We need to put units. Okay, this is the first answer for the first question. Find the distance between the points 0, 0 and 36, 15. Okay, and we solved this and we found the answer 39 units. Okay, I have previously explained in my previous video or the introduction video. This is we should not go for using any 2-point formula. We can use directly the distance between an origin. 0, 0 is nothing but origin, and distance between an origin and a point. Okay, we know the formula, right? That is root of x square plus y square. We should not bother about this 0, 0. We can directly find the answer. If we are having that, if we need to find the distance between an origin and a point, or if we want to find the distance between point and origin, we can use this formula, root of x square plus y square. So we should not bother about the 0 values. We have to bother only about the values of the coordinates x and y. So x square is 36 square and y square is 15 square. If we take 36 square, the same value, the steps are repeated from here. Okay, the same steps fallen over here. Okay, if you are good in that, you can use this formula or you can use 2-point formula. The answer never change. Okay, moving to the second part of the second question. Can you now find the distance between the two towns A and B discussed in section 7.2? In 7.2, see, look at the question. A town B is located 36 km east and 15 km north. This kind of question will come in board exam. Okay, but we should know the directions. Okay, this is east, this is one is west, and this one is north, and this one is south. Now they have given with the reference of A. A town B is located 36 km east and 15 km north of town A. Okay, with reference to town A, town B is located 36 km east and 15 km north. So this is the location of town B. And okay, how do you find the distance from town A to town B without actually measuring it? Let us see. This situation can be represented graphically as shown in the figure 7.1. You may use Pythagoras theorem to calculate the distance. Yes, exactly. We can use Pythagoras theorem. Why? Because it seems like it is towards east and then towards north. It resembles like right angle triangle. It resembles like right angle triangle. That means this angle is what? 90 degree. And this side is what? This side is hypotenuse side. Right angle triangle And which one is hypotenuse side? The side exactly opposite to 90 degree is called a hypotenuse side. And what Pythagoras theorem said? Pythagoras theorem, what Pythagoras theorem says, the square of the hypotenuse side is equal to sum of the square of the other two sides. Okay, which means that town A and town B distance, this hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the square of other two sides, which means 36 square plus 15 square. We need to find the value of AB in order to find the distance between town A and town B. If square moves to right hand side, it becomes square root 36 square plus 15 square. This step we got in the previous stage itself. Look at this value, 36 square plus 15 square. 36 square plus 15 square, we will get the same answer. Okay, 1296, which is nothing but root of 1296 plus 225. If we add these two values, we will get root of 1500 and what 1521. If we take square root plus or minus 39, we should reject the negative value because distance will never be negative, so we need to take 39. And here in the question they have mentioned 36 kilometer and 15 kilometers, so the unit we need to mention in terms of kilometer. Okay, this is all about the second question. Shall we move to third question? Okay, look at the third question. Determine if the points 1, 5, 2, 3 and minus 2, minus 11 are collinear. What do you mean by collinear? Okay, let us consider these 3 points are here. What do you mean the meaning of collinear? Collinear means all points lies in same line. Hence, those points are called collinear points. Okay, for that we need to find the distance between the 2 points, which means these 2 points. Let us assume this is A and this one is B and this one is C. Then we need to find these 2 points. We need to find the distance between BC, and finally we need to find the distance between AC. Okay, first of all we need to find AB distance, then BC distance, then AC distance. Whatever it is, finally we need to check sum of any two distance must be equal to the third distance. Then we can say these 3 points are lying in same line. Hence these 3 points are collinear. So the thing is, solution, let A of 1, 5, B of 2, 3 and C of minus 2, minus 11. Let us assume these 3 points as A, B and C. Okay, we need to find all the possible distance. What are all the possible distance? AB, BC, AC. That's it. AC, or we can say CA. Only 3 possible distance. Finally, we need to add any 2 possible distance. If we get the third distance, we can say these 3 points are lying in same line. Hence the points are collinear. If we didn't get the sum value equivalent to the third side, we can say these 3 points are not collinear. Okay, let us find the distance. Distance AB. So what is A value? 1, 5 and B coordinate 2, 3. So this is x1, y1. This is x2, y2. What is the distance formula? 2-point distance formula. X2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So this is nothing but x2 minus x1. What is x2 value? 2. x1 value is 1. 2 minus 1 whole square plus y2 minus y1. 3 minus 5 whole square. So if we solve, 2 minus 1 is 1 square plus 3 minus 5. The negative is greater, so we need to subtract. This is positive value and this is negative value. So minus 2 whole square. So 1 square is 1 square minus 2 whole square. Minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4. Okay. 1 plus 4, that is equal to root 5 units. Okay. Next, we need to find distance. We found AB distance. Now we need to find BC distance. What are all the coordinates? 2 comma 3, and C coordinate is minus 2 comma minus 11. This is x1 y1, this is x2, this one is y2. Distance formula again, root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Just substitute the values. Root of x2 minus x1 minus 2 whole square plus minus 11 minus 3, sorry, minus 11 minus 3 whole square. Minus 2 same sign, just we need to add and put the sign of any of the numbers. Okay, minus 2 is minus 4 whole square plus minus 11 minus 3 is minus 14 whole square. So here we are having even power, so we should not think about the negative, we just remove the negative. 4 square is 16. Similarly 14 square is 196. Just to do that in rough work, what I have taught you, 14 square, 1 square is 0, 1, 4 square is 16, 1 into 4 into 2, 1 into 4 is 4, 4 2s are 8, we need to put, we should not put in the unit position, we should put that value from tens position. Okay, just add it, 6, 8 plus 1, 9 and 1, 196. Okay, if we add these two values, 196, 206 and root of 206, then 16, how much? 212 units. We have to try 212. Can we simplify further or not? So we have to divide 212 by 2. So 10 2s are 20, balance 1, 12 is there, 6 2s are 12. Okay, fine. Next, again, if it will be divided by 2, we can use 2 as a prime factor. 5 2s are 10, 3 2s are 6, 53 is a prime. So here I am solving it. So this root of 212 can be written as 2 into 2 into 53 units. So for a pair of 2, 1 2 will come outside, okay, if you take square root, okay, because 2 square and root will get cancelled and 1 2 will come outside. Inside the square root we will have 53 alone units. Fine. Next we need to find the distance of AC. Write the coordinates 1 comma 5, C minus 2 comma minus 11. This one is x1 y1, this one is x2 and this one is y2. What is the distance formula? Root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Just substitute the values. So this one is a rough work. Okay, what are all the values? X2 minus x1 minus 2 minus 1 whole square plus y2 is minus 11 minus 5 whole square. We will get minus 3, minus 2 minus 1 minus 3 whole square plus minus 11 minus 5 minus 16 whole square. So we should not worry about the negative, because if you take even power, negative will get cancelled. 3 square is 9, 16 square is what? You can do here, that will be I think 256. 1 square is 1, 6 square is 36, 166, 6 2s are 12. Just add it, 256, yes, 256. That is root of 9 plus 256, 260, 65 units. So take this as equation 1 and take this equation 2, take this as equation 3. We can conclude from 1, 2 and 3 no values. If we add 1 and 3 we could not get the second value. In the same way, if we add 1 and 2 we could not get the third value, or if we add second and third we will not get the first equation. So we can conclude from 1, 2 and 3 these coordinates are not collinear. Okay, do you understand this thing? Now we shall move to question number 4. check whether 5 comma minus 2, 6 comma 4 and 7 comma minus 2 are the vertices of isosceles triangle. First of all, what do you mean by isosceles triangle? Assume this vertex is A and this vertex is B and this vertex is C. Okay, what do you mean by isosceles triangle? Length of two sides must be equal, then the triangle is called isosceles triangle. If three sides are equal, we can say it is an equilateral triangle. If no sides are equal, then we can say it is a scalene triangle. So they are asking, they have given 5 comma minus 2 one coordinate or one vertex, and similarly coordinate of another vertex they have given 6 comma 4 and another coordinate is 7 comma minus 2 they have given. Okay, solution: let A of 5 comma minus 2, B of 6 comma 4 and C of 7 comma minus 2. They have given the coordinates of the vertex. Okay, we should not say vertex. Vertex is singular. They have given 3 vertices. Okay, vertex is singular and vertices is plural form. Okay, what we need to do, we need to find the distance of all the possible values. Okay, that means AB distance, BC distance and AC distance. Okay, finally we need to check how many distance or how many lengths are, what are all the lengths are equal. If any two lengths are equal, we can say it is isosceles triangle. Okay, let us solve this question. Distance AB, what are the coordinates? 5 comma minus 2, 6 comma 4. Okay, this one is x1, this one is y1, this one is x2 and this one is y2. What is the formula? Root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, just substitute the values. X2 is 6 minus 5 whole square plus y2 minus y1. y2 is 4 minus of minus 2, that is plus 2 whole square. We will get 6 minus y 1 square plus 4 plus 2 6 square. We will get what? 1 plus 36 is equal to root 37 units. Okay, now distance of BC, we found AB distance, we got root 37 units. Now we need to find the BC distance. BC distance is what? Coordinates 6 comma 4 and 7 comma minus 2. This one is x1 and this one is y1, this one is x2 and this one is y2, and we know the same formula: x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Just substitute the known values. X2 is 7 minus 6 whole square, x1 is 6, so that's why I have put minus 6 whole square plus y2 is minus 2 minus 4 whole square. 7 minus 6 is what? 1 square plus minus 2 minus 4, same sign, just add it, so minus 6 whole square. 1 square is 1. Here we are having even power, we should not worry about negative. 6 square is 36. We will get root 37 units. So this side is also root, BC side is also root 37 units. So this side is equal and this side is equal. We should not stop the question. Okay, we found two distance is root 37, so you should not stop here itself, and you should not come to conclude that these vertices or these coordinates are isosceles triangle. We need to find one more distance. Because why? Because if we get the same value root 37 also over here AC distance, then it is not an isosceles, it will be an equilateral triangle. Okay, so we need to find AC distance also. Okay, distance AC. What are all the coordinates? A coordinate 5 comma minus 2 and C coordinate 7 comma minus 2, x1 y1, and this one is x2 and this one is y2. So what is the formula? x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Just substitute the values. X2 is 7 minus x1 is 5 whole square plus y2 minus 2 minus of minus 2, that is plus 2 whole square. 7 minus 5 is a 2 square plus minus 2 plus 2 0 square. 0 square is 0, so 2 square is 4 plus 0, that is equal to root 4. Root 4 we all know that is plus or minus 2. We should reject the negative value because distance, we all know distance will not be in negative, so we need to take only the positive value. So distance AC is equal to what? 2 units. Okay, this is first equation and this one is second equation and this one is third equation. So we have to conclude that from 1, 2 and 3. Look at first equation, second equation and third equation. Only AB distance is root 37 units and BC distance is root 37 units. So only AB and BC are equal, but AC is not equal. So this AC is not equal. Okay. So from 1, 2 and 3, what are all the vertices? 5 comma minus 2, 6 comma 4 and 7 comma minus 2 are the vertices of an isosceles triangle. Okay, is it clear for you? Okay, let's see the next question in the next class. Thank you.